Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting your Virgin TV 360 box can fix many common technical issues. You might need to do this if your screen freezes or the menus run slowly. There are two main ways to reset your device. The first method is a simple power cycle. Locate the power switch on the back of the box and turn it off. Unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Turn the power switch back on and wait for the box to reboot. This often solves minor glitches without deleting your data. If your box is still acting up, you should try a factory reset. This is a more thorough process. Use your remote to press the home button. Navigate to the settings icon and select it. Look for the system option and then to choose factory reset. You will see two choices here. You can keep your recordings or delete everything. Choosing to keep your recordings is usually the best first step. If you choose to delete everything, your box will return to its original factory state. This will erase all your personal settings and saved shows. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Your box will restart several times during this time. Do not turn off the power while the update is running. Once the screen shows the setup menu, your reset is finally complete. You can now sign back into your accounts and enjoy your favorite shows again. This simple guide helps you get your home entertainment system back on track very quickly, easily, and successfully.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.